Hello there, it's me, Natalie. In today's video, we are going to be doing some summer hacks. Subscribe to this channel for a full peek so it'll be delivered right at your door, and don't forget to hit that little bell. That's the only way I can ring your bell. So a long time ago, in a castle, long ago, I used to do hack videos. Yes, that is right. And then came along this giant beast known as 5-Minute Crafts. I'm kind of like the dollar store version of 5-Minute Crafts. I guess the Burger King in this case. I look bald. Wonderful. Well, at least I look like her now. You guys already know the beef that I have with 5-Minute Crafts. They stole my thumbnails. Yes, so the goal for this video, number 1, is to try out these hacks and see if they work. I'll be the test dummy. Number 2, do it exactly as the video says. Número 3, help you guys save time. Let's get on to this video. Trying out 33 amazing hacks for your next beach trip by 5-Minute Hacks. I cannot afford AirPods because 5-Minute Crafts is stealing all my revenue and views. So, she's drowning. Oh my god, took off her pants, ties them, throws them, and then beat on that water. Beat to the sound of the music. This feels like aerobics class. Throw the pants, beat on the water. Beat on the water. Bam, we got a magical floaty. I mean, it looks like it's working. I don't know. Comment below, do you think this will be a fail or a holy grail?
1.
That's gonna hurt a lot.
2. No, it's not. Okay, you're drowning. Okay, you're supposed to act like you're drowning, Natalie.
That's gonna hurt.
No, it won't hurt. Okay. Beat that water up, Natalie. It owes you money. Beat it up. Yeah, where my money at, water? Where my money at? Man, you're as good as dead.
Am I doing something wrong?
No, you're not. You're doing everything right. It's the water that's not cooperating.
Am I supposed to go like this?
Supposedly, but no. Like, water's just gonna get in it and you're gonna die. Natalie, you're dead. There's no saving you. It's...
Maybe I'm supposed to go like this.
No, there's nothing you can really do.
Oh, that's what it is.
What?
I have to go like
We're having difficulties putting on our caps. All right, it's really difficult. So you're gonna put water inside. I've actually never tried to put this cap on, so it might be actually quite hard. Watch that in slow motion, shall we? I don't know. Something looks a little suspicious here. Like I saw some type of transition here. Let's see. Okay, well, it did land over her head. It actually landed over her eyeballs, and then it was magically up on her head. So that really didn't work. Oh, I need to try this hack right now. All right, comment below. Do you think this will be a poop, a whoop, or maybe baby?
You're making that dumb face.
Okay, so look, this is way too hard to do according to the video, right? Just doing this. What's gonna happen is we're gonna flip it, we're gonna put water in it,
And then I'm gonna drop it on your head.
and you are going to drop it on my head, kind of like this. Let's see. Whoa!
It worked. Perfect. I know people in swim teams used to do it just for fun.
Well, what's the point? It's so easy to put on. Oh, that hurt my mind.
Do you need an underwater camera? Yeah, because I don't got a GoPro. Oh, I like that. Ooh, that, oh my god. That looks beautiful. Okay, that looks majestic. That's a good hack. Let's go try that one out. Do you think it's poop, a whoop, or maybe baby? Comment below. Let's do this.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna shove you into this cup and we're gonna try some underwater recording. The thing is, phones nowadays are actually waterproof, so a lot of you can actually take the picture underwater without needing this.
And then tag me on Instagram.
But 5-Minute Crafts. know, guys. You tell us.
Oh, this looks pretty. Okay, you take some eyeliner. Okay, very pretty. Oh, she draws very nice. Put some hairspray on it and bam, it is there. It is good to go. I don't know how good that's gonna work. Very interesting. Ooh, look, she got a little cherry in there. Okay, let's try this one out. Alright guys, so I have my handy dandy eyeliner with my extra hold hairspray, and I'm gonna be doing a little figure. What do you think I should draw?
A flower.
Flower, okay. This is a good eyeliner. I usually can draw much better, but not with eyeliner. I bet this is just gonna create like a little layer over it. Fail or holy grail? What do you think?
Somewhere in the middle.
We're in this ugly Airbnb because we are moving to LA.
Everything's A-okay. You could have rhymed.
Oh, that's good. All right, let's try. Oh, snap. That works. Oh my God, that's such a good hack. So good. Okay, how do I remove this for real? Good hack. Okay, this one I will admit, this one can work. Damn it, I should have come up with this one too. I mean, it's obvious. Here in Florida, it gets very, very hot. I could see how, you know, leaving your shoes upward just attracts the heat. Turn them around. By the time you want to put them back on, they're cooler like a cucumber. Thank you. Dennis is a real 5-minute craft guy. What is he doing? We didn't even do it.
Yes, I did.
I'm supposed to put him on.
Yeah. Okay.
They're happily drinking their little things. There's some flies coming around. Just like love bugs. Are you guys familiar with love bugs, or is this just a Florida thing? Oh God, Florida. Ugh, she ate a little bug up in there. Her friend's like, hey look, I got this magical cupcakey, colorfully, variety cupcake wax thing and a straw. Not using metal straws, I see. And now they're drinking happily. Another one I should have come up with, Natalie.
Make sure it's not expired. It's really old. It's not. Oh.
It's not made for this
Oh
one.
my God, Natalie! Really?
It's fine. It'll still work.
Oh my God, today's the worst day ever. Natalie, half the cup is still exposed. Why do you pick the biggest mason jar you could find? But it's the biggest you could find.
I started prepared.
Natalie, none were ready. You didn't even bring your phone. You ain't got no friends. Who the f you waving at? This empty as hell.
Video.
D.I. Wow.
It's a beautiful day. She's gonna put her towel down. It's gorgeous. Oh, it's not a towel. Very smart. 5-minute crafts. She's using like a little bed mattress sheet thing. Majiguri. Then she's putting all of her heavy bags, because people usually carry 4 heavy bags. It looks like you're rocking on sand on a little boat. Another one I think is amazing. All right, we're gonna try this one out too.
All right, Natalie. You arrived at your destination. Aloha. Yeah, you just decide to just place everything in the middle of the volleyball court. One cup is not gonna hold. Natalie, you didn't prepare properly for this one. Natalie, not even they were this unprepared. Whoa. Natalie.
Hold on. I'm still trying. This does work. But my shoes are not heavy enough.
Unprepared. Look at this. Look at this, people. Beautiful beach. All right. What are you thinking? Okay, but for real though, like if you would have brought the 4 properly sized bags, it would have worked.
But I tried.
And she wasn't one of the corners.
I know she wasn't. This one would have worked, but I didn't expect it to have to be so heavy. Like, who brings 4 really heavy bags?
A family that's going to the beach. It was just a sad, lonely girl that came to the volleyball court. What a sad, lonely girl.
Comment below what other hack videos you want me to test out from 5-minute crafts. Perhaps trim. I'm here to take back my hack queen crown. Subscribe right now so that a free pizza can be delivered to your door. Don't forget to ring that little bell or else I can't ring your bell. Just be sure to watch all my videos, and then once you've done that, comment on every single video, hashtag 5-minute crafts, so that YouTube can suggest my channel to the algorithm and to you guys. Because they have 58 million subscribers, and I only have 8. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.